Hello, judges. We are Team 865 from Mahatma Gandhi Missions College of Engineering and Technology. We are doing a project titled Biodegradable Replacement for Single Use Plastics. The sustainable development goal we aim to tackle in this project are good health and well-being, sustainable cities and communities, life below water, industry, innovation and infrastructure, climate action, and life on land. To achieve our goals, we plan to design a material for packaging that is not only biodegradable but is easily available, durable, cost effective, and easily disposable. Plastics are an essential part of our lives, but this essentialness comes at a cost. From the production to the waste management, plastics have caused major destruction to the environment and ecology. Hence, the need for our product. The essential stakeholders of our product would be the general public and the packaging industries as our major customers. The food product industries and farmers will be our main raw material suppliers. The government, as it will be easier to manage the waste. Our research from the internet has shown that a large part, that is about 26% of the total plastic used globally, are for one-time use and packaging. The cost for the same is about 260 billion per annum, meaning it is a major part of the global economy. As of 2014, bioplastics represent only 0.2% of the global market. India has also taken part in creating bioplastics through companies like True Green, NIV Green, and Plastobags. Local surveying done by our part, though, has pointed out that even with the availability, people are not willing to use bioplastics as they are very costly. They would rather use cloth bags or paper bags. We have chosen biodegradable sheets as our atomic unit because they will be sent to packaging industries and be used to make polybags. The key performance indicators being revenue, as the revenue generated will show how much our product is being preferred over other existing options. Polybag waste, as it will be a long-term indicator, as it will show the amount of non-biodegradable polybag waste generated. We start our implementation by acquiring sample raw materials, that is, vegetable or fruit peel. The primary source of our raw material are food industries and local juice shops. We will process the raw material by drying and powdering them. The material is then going to be converted into granules. Using these granules as base material, we will now test different resins to find the combination with desired qualities. After producing the compound with desired qualities, we will do a large-scale production of it. This compound will be the raw material for the production of our biodegradable sheets. The sheets produced can be used directly by the packaging industries or structured to suit their needs. It can also be used to make carry bags and other products which are then transported to retailers and eventually to the general public. The product will have to have an ideal degradation time, that is, not too short that it cannot be used and not too long as it generates a lot of waste and that will be hard to deal with. Our product, however, will degrade naturally, requiring little to no effort in disposing of it. It will therefore save time and money spent in waste management methods apart from being environmentally friendly.